What's up, guys? Jacob here. Just finished doing a workout on my Saturday, evening. It's 7:30 p.m. here, yet it's still about 90 degrees and it's still pretty much daylight, but wanted to stall it out until things got a little cooler so it could be done without me dying of heat exhaustion. Things have been really busy on my end, actually rather stressful. I've got some major developments in my personal life coming up really, really soon. I can't talk about it yet. I don't think I'm legally, it's not something I can disclose just yet what's going on, but opportunity is coming my way and things will be changing up for my life soon. I'll still be involved with Amazon publishing at the extent that I am already. It's going to be an opportunity for me to really change my life financially, and also gain transferable skills that'll really also help me with Amazon and selling products, electronic products actually, to people on the internet all over the world. So that's something that's going to be coming up. Speaking of selling products online, what I want to talk about, the reason why I'm recording this video, in the blueprint at My Self-Publishing Blueprint, I think everyone knows the course by now after watching this video. Link is below. It's the best course right now in the market on how to make your first $1,000 with Amazon self-publishing. I'm seeing quite a few posts now since it's the end of the month. I'm recording this in June 2018, where a lot of new members are really struggling to get past even making $150 a month. That being said, I mean, perspective is everything. When I first started online marketing, if I can even call it online marketing, I did very small time affiliate marketing when I was basically a teenager at 19, 20, 10 years ago. I didn't know shit about anything, and I was just relying on making like these commission junction affiliate sales, and I was ecstatic to make like $150 to $200 a month. Well, not even passively. I was hustling my affiliate links, getting everyone to buy my affiliate product, but I was happy doing that. But in this kind of environment now, where people are in a course and they see my success, they see other success of people making $2, $3, $5, even upwards of over $10,000 a month online, it can seem discouraging to make only $150 your second or third month online. You got to realize you're essentially creating passive income from nothing. Okay, so making $200 a month, $150 a month from the internet, starting out from zero, that's not easy. I mean, it's something that can be done by just about anyone, but especially if you're setting up as a passive business and you're not doing direct sales or direct consultation, that is not an easy feat. So I will have to admit openly, people are getting discouraged because they see prior success of people who have achieved $1,000 a month much more quickly than what they're anticipating. I hit the $1,000 mark. If I count the very beginning of Amazon self-publishing, when I did mine in January, my first month ever, I made $2, but that didn't stop me. My second month, I made like $40. It took me about, I think 7 months. Yeah, 7 months for me to go from zero to $1,000 a month. And from there, I think on the next month, I went to like 2.6K, $2,600 US. So yeah, it can ramp up very quickly, but you need to be, what I would say, impatiently patient. Meaning, yeah, you need to be a little patient with how you're ramping up and keep your expectations realistic. If you're watching someone like me making $100 a day from one book, that is real, and I'm not doing that to be cocky. I'm doing it to motivate you and show you that it's possible. It is very possible. It's something that you can repeat. It's not some one-time freak accident that I'm doing. I've done this over and over with books. And so you can too, once you know the winning formula for what it takes to sell products online, like ebooks or paperback books rather, on Amazon too. So that's why you really need to just stick in there, make some mistakes. I still make mistakes. Like, Me and Emeka always bounce ideas off of each other, and I'm working on something that right now that I spent $550 on, and I made some mistakes on my approach with the book, and I really had to change things up ASAP before I say I just totally blew $550. So even someone like me who's had consistent success with publishing and getting good books out, I mess up too. So, you know, it happens to everybody. And for you, going back to you, you just need to publish more books. I'm talking to all of you, Melissa, Fuad, Adrian, like countless others of you. Oh man, Gary, you guys, just publish some more books, guys. You're not going to make $1,000 a month starting from scratch with your second, your third, your fourth, or even your fifth book. Not likely. Yes, I will admit, publishing in 2018 seems harder now for new publishers compared to last year. Maybe that's not something I should say openly, but I'm trying to be transparent here. It seems a little bit harder with reviews going down and being erased from the Amazon system, even if they are so-called legitimate with like advanced review teams doing the reviews essentially. Even though you're getting legitimate reviews from readers, they still get deleted. Yeah, and that can be discouraging, but that's why I keep stressing, don't rely on review swaps. And guys, don't rely on these third-party programs to do all of the legwork for you. Yes, KDP Rocket, KDP Spy, they have their uses, they're great tools for what they can do, but they're not going to make you money, not directly. You can use them to quickly aggregate data and make a general decision on whether you want to look further into a keyword or not. But when you need to figure out what your book needs to feature, what angle or approach you need to write towards, what demographic or niche you need to focus on, KDP Rocket and KDP Spy are not going to do that for you. And don't hold everything concrete with what those programs tell you. When something has a competition rating of 50 out of 100, what does that really mean? What does it really mean? If Fortnite has that rating right now, I'm just speaking out of, you know, thin air. I don't really know what it's rated on by KDP Rocket. But if it were rated at 100 2 months ago, okay, would you not go into it? Even though you could come up with your own angle and kill everyone, like I am right now, you can. So stop relying on these tools are good to have and use for initial research, but you really have to learn the game of analyzing products and coming up with your own formula for a product like an ebook or paperback that's going to be compelling enough and unique enough to be bought by customers. That's the real art to this. So once you get that, and you realize also you need to factor in, you don't want to be a copycat of just every other book for a given keyword. I'm making this mistake right now. I'm being hypocritical of even myself. But even if you do that, as soon as you realize it, you still have opportunity to reverse things, revise your book, you know, change some things up, focus towards a more specific niche, some unique, if I get some unique angle that'll get your book sold to, even to a subset demographic, it's better than nothing. So like if you have, let's just make this up, the let's see, keto recipes for everyone. Okay, you have the keto recipe book, the most cliche thing. Okay, let's say you have that out there right now and you haven't really had it on the market for very long. Don't give up. You can revise things, get it to be the keto recipe for Generation Z, or the keto recipe for Dalmatian dogs. Like, it's better to sell to like the 5 Dalmatian dogs owners who are going to buy that book than not sell at all. Okay, that's the point I'm trying to get across. You still have to recover, and you can recover by focusing on more specific of a niche for your book. That's the biggest mistake you guys are making, and that's why I'm kind of rambling about that. But otherwise, yeah, like I said, don't get discouraged. Making $150 a month online from zero is impressive when you are just totally new to the space of making money online. That's not bad, but you need to continue on. You need to persist. It took me From zero to $1,000 a month. It took me 7 months. A lot of you haven't been in this game for even 4 or 5 months. You need to be a little bit more patient, but at the same time, be a little bit impatient too and get some new products out. So don't stop publishing, don't get discouraged, and just keep getting better at this, and you will make it eventually. Hope that helps, guys. It's kind of a rant, but I need to get my feelings out there, and I hope I can be more of help to you all. Leave a comment below, or if you're in the blueprint, leave some more questions. Tag me if you want. If it's good enough of a question, I will answer it, and hope to be working with you soon. Later.